Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have exercise number 6 for chapter number 18. It is our last exercise of this complete course of Civil 3D. It's about labeling design surface. As you know, we have done with every other type of design in this course. Now we need to annotate our surfaces as with all annotations. The information we need to convey here is almost as important as the design itself, particularly with regard to grading. From a strictly documentation standpoint, the primary final product of a grading design is a set of design contours. By themselves, the contours are not very useful for constructions. Once they are labeled, however, they begin to show the contractor exactly how to shape the land to meet its design functions. In some areas, contours alone don't provide enough detail and must be supplemented with labels that call out specific elevations and slope, which we will learn in this exercise number 6. Open your drawing. You can download this drawing from description link with the name of labeling design surfaces. Go to your Annotate tab, and here we have add labels as we used them before for pipe networks, alignments and other entities. Now we can use it for surfaces also. Just select feature lines here, feature as a surface, and label type should be contour multiple. Just leave them all same it is and click add label. When you will click add label, you can you will need to select any surface which you want to annotate. I will select my proposed surface. It is the contour. Just select it, and now you can annotate any contour. So now I want to annotate my lot number 2. Click here, and then here you can see we have contours label for all contours inside the lot number 2. Again, go here and select contour single, and then press add. Now it is saying for surface, I will select same surface, and now when I will put on any contour, for example here, it will just give contour label for any single contour. So you can put any labels on any contours. You can see like this. So again, go here and select slope. Just press add, and it is same asking for surface. Just select surface and then 1 point. If you select here, it is 2.2. If you select here, it is more than our required gradient, because we need here 10% and it is now 14%. We will address this in the end of this exercise. Go to spot elevation and then press add. It is asking for surface. Just select surface. If you will select wrong surface, then it will misunderstanding between those surfaces. So select any point. You can see the elevation of surface. Just another corner. Okay, so you can see I have annotated my lot number 2, and you can do this process for all other lots. Just press escape to clear the selection and close this add label dialog box. Now our lot number 2 has been annotated, and I will address this slope. Just select your feature line, and on edit elevation panel you can see here this rise and lower command which I have been used in the previous exercises. Just click on highs and low and put the elevation like something minus 0.0605 something, and it will take little pause and go lower and create new surface according to this feature line. And now you can see our slope is in our standard. We need maximum 10%, and now we have 8.5%. Press escape to clear the selection. Hope you like this video. It was our exercise number 6 for chapter number 18. It is our last exercise for Civil 3D complete course. We end now with this course, and I am going to start mastering Civil 3D course, which will give you more detail, but it will not for you if you are beginner. So you must need to go with my basic Civil 3D course, and then you can jump to mastering Civil 3D course. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe.